I think is yung kanyang edad, yung is young, at the same time yung upside niya. I think mayroon siyang opportunity, mayroon siyang chance na makasama dun sa elite players na yon. And sa tulad doon sabi ko, very versatile si Xavier. He can shoot outside, he can go to the post, he can dribble. I mean, madami siyang pwedeng gawin. I think in college sa UP, he played also multiple positions. Ganun din naman yung magiging role niya eh. Ang sinasabi ko lang sa kanya is he needs to adjust on our defensive scheme, to be more defensive mindset player. But yung kanyang opensa, nandiyan na yan eh. I think yun lang, medyo kailangan lang niyang mag-adjust ng konti doon sa mga tinatakbo ng system namin. But Xavier, I think yung attitude niya, tsaka yung character niya, mayroon siyang potential na maging ganon. Siguro he needs to work hard lang, and yun, looking forward to that. Siguro mas better na para makuha niya yung ganong position.